See the point of this game night. Every game that Patrick has me invented is more pointless and boring than the last. Well, I'm excited and I'm already bored.
Well, I'm excited. We're going to be the first people to test out Patrick's game. This is going to be written about in the history book someday.
Yeah, in crayon.
Good evening. Please step into my game-atorium.
More like a flameatorium.
Welcome, gamers. Behold. My game.
Oh, we finished. Go on.
No, my friend. We have only just begun.
What's it called, Patrick?
My dice are just garbage.
Yeah, Patrick, what's it called?